Welcome to the Sioux Locks. The name of the vessel entering the MacArthur Lock from the upper St. Mary's River or the Lake Superior level is the Alpena. This vessel is owned and managed by Inland Lakes Management. It is 519 feet long and 76 feet wide. This vessel's previous name was Leon Fraser. It's registered to the United States and carries a maximum capacity of 13,900 tons. This vessel type is a self-unloading Smith carrier. The Alpena was the first boat to pass through the MacArthur Lock when it opened to commercial navigation on July 11, 1943. She sailed throughout the Great Lakes until 1982, when she went into layup for 7 years, eventually returning to service after being shortened by 120 feet and modified to sail as a self-unloading bulk carrier. And this vessel is en route to Alpena, Michigan. When she's in the lock and safely secured, she will be lowered 21 feet to the lower St. Mary's River or to the Lake Huron level. Thank you for visiting the Sioux Locks.